Welcome in this video series on warehouse qualification. In this first video, we're going to look at the term qualification and discuss the why and the how. First of all, we are in a GxP environment. What is GxP? GxP is an acronym for the regulatory guidelines in the pharma world for laboratories, manufacturing, and distribution. So it is about temperature-sensitive pharmaceuticals, and it's about storing them in your warehouse. And in your warehouse, you probably have different temperature zones, like a 15 to 25 degrees centigrade zone, a 2 to 8 zone, and you also might have a handling zone, a loading dock. Maybe you also have trucks moving from one facility to the other. And all that needs to be qualified. What is a warehouse qualification? Regulation says that qualification is a documented proof that a piece of equipment fulfills the intended purpose. So we have three elements. It's a document, it's a defined purpose, an intended purpose, and it's a proof. The proof is an analysis, it's measurements, it's checklists, it's mapping. We later come to this. So that's a qualification. If all that is nicely documented, your warehouse is qualified. People often mix up the term qualification with validation, so let's briefly go into validation. What is that? A validation is a check, according to GxP, that a process or an activity has the expected result. In this example, it's a storage process. Again, we have the three elements. It's a document where we have an expected result described, and we have checks defined. Checks would be that we run through this process, we do test runs, for example. If that all is done, this process can be seen as validated. So summarizing what's validation, what's qualification. So we qualify a piece of equipment and we validate the process containing qualified equipment. And there's a very simple rule of thumb you can memorize. Whatever you can touch, you can qualify. The rest is validated. Thanks for watching.